Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna play with some colors since the summer is still here, so why not? So before starting the video, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And yeah, that's it. Let's get it started. So I already primed my skin with my trusty Neutrogena Water Boost. And now for my foundation, I'm using my all-time favorite Jouer foundation and my Morphe brush. And this foundation is so watery, so full coverage, and the tiniest drop will cover your entire face. Like I'm pumping like this much, not even a half pump. And that already covered half of my face. And I'm using again the tiniest pump. Don't forget to blend it down to your neck. Now I'm using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm using the tiniest amount. Now I'm using some powder to set my concealer. For my bronzer, blush, and highlighter, I'm actually going with this Becca highlighter palette today. And so I'm gonna use the bronzer first. Need a big fluffy brush. Also, excuse this black hair dye situation happening around my roots. So I just dyed my hair, and my mom told me to use some Vaseline around my hairline so I won't get hair color on it, and I said that's fine, but you know. Now I'm using a small eyeshadow brush to contour my nose. So now I'm using this blush from the same palette. It's kind of a shimmery blush, so if you guys have oily skin or you have texture around this area, I'm not actually recommending this blush. Try to use matte colors instead, and I'm applying it on the apple of my cheeks. See, it has a subtle sheen in it. Now I'm using this highlighter right here, and I'm actually mixing these two colors. I'm actually going to jump ahead and do my lips, and for my lip liner I'm using this Essence No. 6 Satin Mauve lip liner. For today's lips, I'm actually going for a little more of a pinky shade to kind of have that colorful summery look. Not too pink, but not too nude. And for lipstick, I'm using this NYX lipstick in the color MLS 15, and it's the same color as my lip liner. So for the center of my lips, I'm using a nude color. Okay, moving on to the eyes, I'm actually gonna prep my eyelids with some concealer. So for today's eye look, I'm actually using this palette from Morphe. It's actually 35U. Honestly, it's a pretty old palette. I'm not sure if it's still available at morphe.com. But yeah, it's kind of like a colorful palette. So first I'm gonna use this light brown shade for a transition color. And I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. Okay, I use this color to define my crease and lid a little, and I don't want it to be too dark. Now I'm using this light peachy shade and apply it to my lid. I'm actually using some light and soft colors for my crease and my lid because I'm gonna focus on my inner corners, and I'm gonna apply the color here. Now I'm using this yellow shade from this palette, and I'm using a precise brush, and I'm gonna apply this in my inner corners. So as you can see, to apply this color, I only focus on the inner corners and I keep it right here. Now I'm going to use this dark purpley shade, and I'm going to use this as an eyeliner today. So now I'm using an angled brush to apply that purpley shade as my eyeliner. And I'm actually applying the eyeliner on the outer corners of my eyes only. I'm not going all the way in. Now I'm using the same light brown shade for my lower lash line. And I actually want to add a little bit of the shimmery pinky shade in the middle of my lid, like right here. And now I'm gonna apply some mascara. While my mascara is drying, I'm gonna use my highlighter and apply it on my brow bone. So for lashes today, I'm using Lily Lashes Synthetics, and it's in the style Chicago. Okay, this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I actually really enjoyed playing with some bright, vibrant colors. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video.